using the LucidityVR Explorer to walk from the U.S. Capitol building in Washington, D.C. to the Colosseum in Rome by way of the Tower Bridge in London. First, create an empty directory and put a copy of our SketchUp conversion program in it. Second, go to 3dwarehouse.sketchup.com. This is a website with three-dimensional models of many famous buildings and sites around the world. And download the SketchUp file for the Colosseum, also one for the U.S. Capitol, and finally download the 3D model for the Tower Bridge of London. Of course, it doesn't have to be these three or any of these three models. You can build your virtual world up with any items and objects you wish. So once you have all the 3D objects you want to put in your new virtual world into this directory, go ahead and run the SketchUp conversion program. What the SketchUp conversion program does is convert them to a common file format used for 3D objects, namely .obj, and extract the textures and do some general graphics maintenance and cleaning up. Now once I've got them, you can use a program like Maya, Blender, 3ds Max, or in my case I'm using Cinema 4D, which is a software program that allows you to manipulate and edit three-dimensional scenes from three-dimensional objects. So first I will import the Colosseum. The OBJ files are the ones that look like a little sun have that little sun on them. And I'm going to select that and move it back off into the distance a bit. And then I will import the U.S. Capitol building. You'll notice I'm scaling them up and down as I load them in. That's to all make them reasonably sized, proportional to one another. Now I'll select the bridge and rotate it such that it connects the Capitol to the Colosseum, and perhaps maneuver it into position a little bit better. And since we're not bothering with a sky or water, there's no ocean here, I'm going to lower it down so when we walk through this world, the bridge is not hanging up in the air above us. And there we go. And there we go. Now we have the London Bridge connecting the U.S. Capitol building to the Roman Colosseum. We will export this as a fourth OBJ file in that same directory. Take that directory, copy it to a flash drive, put the flash drive in the Explorer and turn it on, and then we'll be walking inside that world we just created. We'll be able to walk from the Capitol building across the London Bridge to the Colosseum. And here we are with the camera stuck in the headset, standing next to one of the towers of the bridge.